Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use headings and horizontal rules in Obsidian. These simple formatting tools can dramatically improve the structure and readability of your notes, making it easier to organize information, navigate long documents, and quickly find important sections later. Let's start with headings. Headings create a hierarchy within your notes and help break content into logical sections. Obsidian supports 6 different heading levels, ranging from heading 1 to heading 6. Each level represents a different level of importance, with heading 1 being the largest and most prominent, and heading 6 being the smallest. To create a heading, place your cursor at the beginning of a line and type the hash symbol followed by a space. A single hash creates a heading 1, 2 hash symbols create a heading 2, 3 hash symbols create a heading 3, and this pattern continues all the way to heading 6 using 6 hash symbols. For example, you might use a heading 1 for the title of a note, heading 2 for major sections, and heading 3 or heading 4 for subsections within those sections. This hierarchy makes complex notes much easier to read and understand. One of the biggest advantages of using headings is navigation. As your notes grow larger, headings act like signposts that help guide you through the document. They also work well with Obsidian's outline and navigation features, allowing you to jump between sections more efficiently. When creating study notes, project plans, meeting summaries, or research documents, it's a good habit to structure information with headings instead of relying on large blocks of text. This not only improves readability, but also makes future editing much easier. Now let's move on to horizontal rules. A horizontal rule is simply a line that separates sections of content. It's useful when you want a clear visual break between topics, ideas, or categories within a note. To create a horizontal rule, type 3 dashes on a line by themselves. As soon as you do this, Obsidian recognizes the formatting and displays it as a divider. When viewed in Reading View or Live Preview, you'll see a clean horizontal line across the page. Horizontal rules are particularly useful for separating major sections, dividing meeting notes by agenda items, organizing journal entries, or creating clear boundaries between different types of information. Here's an important detail to remember. If you type text on one line and then immediately place 3 dashes directly underneath it without a blank line, Obsidian may interpret that formatting as a heading 1 rather than a horizontal rule. This behavior is part of markdown syntax and can sometimes surprise new users. If that happens and you actually want a horizontal line, simply add a blank line before the 3 dashes. Once you do that, Obsidian will correctly display the divider instead of converting the text above into a heading. A useful workflow is combining headings and horizontal rules together. For example, you can use headings to define sections and horizontal rules to visually separate major parts of a document. This creates a clean, professional-looking structure that is easy to scan and navigate. As your Obsidian Vault grows, developing good formatting habits becomes increasingly important. Proper use of headings and dividers can save time, improve organization, and make your notes much more pleasant to work with on a daily basis. That's it. You now know how to create all 6 heading levels using hash symbols and how to insert horizontal rules using 3 dashes. These simple markdown tools are some of the most effective ways to organize your notes and improve readability throughout your Obsidian Vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.